Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video I'm going to show you the best practices of how to install the WinDoor 238 casement window. For best practices, inspect and open your casement window. I've opened the window, inspected it, and now I'm ready to close and lock it up. The next step is to dry fit the window into the opening. The window has been dry fitted. I'm ready to apply the sealant to the flange or to the buck and precast sill. For best practices, apply sealant to all three. The sealant's been applied. I can now set the window into the opening. Keep in mind it will take a minimum of 2 people to install a casement window. One needs to be on the outside supporting the sash and all the weight. The second person will be on the inside fastening the frame into the substrate. Follow the product approval using the appropriate fasteners to anchor your frame into the substrate. Use shims at every fastener location to support the frame, as well as keeping it square, level, and plumb. As you're anchoring the frame, periodically check the operation of the sash and the lock. Both should operate smoothly. When anchoring your sill, drill through the pre-punched holes of the frame into your precast sill and get all that concrete dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your sill. After inspection, top off each head with sealant. I finished anchoring my frame into the opening in a square, level, true, and plumb fashion. My sash should operate smoothly, as well as lock. My casement operates smoothly. I can apply the appropriate sealant to the exterior perimeter of the frame. To recap, I've now installed the WinDoor Casement 238 in my opening. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on this window.